Think your firewall's got you covered? Think again. They can miss up to 88% of advanced app layer attacks. That's like leaving the door wide open. Let's break it down. Data travels across the internet in little chunks called packets. Each packet has a payload, the actual info, like the text in your email, and a header, kind of like the address label telling it where to go. Traditional firewalls only check the header. Hackers spoof that and slip malware through the payload, straight into your system. At AI Vault, we've built next-gen firewalls, NGFW, powered by AI and large language models. They go deep, inspecting the actual payload to catch hidden malware. Even if attackers try to disguise themselves, we can still spot the threat and shut it down. The result? Our NGFWs block over 2 times more attack packets than traditional firewalls, 235% more to be exact. And when our AI spots something shady, it instantly scans your system to hunt down malware before it spreads.